Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve the ultimate meltdown. Yes, girl, I'm going to be showing you all how to melt the lace, and we're not going to have to do so using the ball cap method. So let's head over to YouTube. Let's visit a few videos that have done very well. Many of you guys have probably watched them to figure out how to do a ball cap, and I'm going to show you all what they've done, especially for beginners. Some of you guys may not have any clue what it looks like. It's pretty much just putting a stocking cap over braids. I don't even use braids anymore because that's too time consuming. You'd pull the stocking cap down over your hairline and then proceed to spray Gossipy Glue Freeze Spray. Now let's go to Ivy's video. She's a veteran YouTuber and she has gotten very skilled at the ball cap method. She's matched it so well to her skin tone by starting off with the stocking cap that was brown. She's already sprayed the Gossipy Glue Freeze Spray and now she's proceeding to cut, and then she's also going to apply makeup, and it's really going to create a bald head look. Essentially what this look does is creates a really flesh-like, scalp-like look under your units, and hers is really nicely done. Now let's go over to Rpghair. She is a phenomenon. Her channel has blown up because she's just so freaking amazing. I love watching her videos and I've learned so much. She's an actual hairstylist. She starts by using Gossipy Glue in the black bottle, and then she follows it up with the freeze spray, and this is going to give it some extreme hold. After she's done this and allowed it to dry, then she's going to proceed to cut off the excess in the back, and as you can observe, she also sewed down the back of the stocking cap. Now she's proceeding to put on the frontal, and then she's going to sew it down. And guys, look, hers is done so well, she can braid it and it looks like that is that woman's scalp. That is insane how good that looks. Now, from what I've shown you so far, you can conclude that the ball cap method is amazing. It does produce great results. I've even done several videos showing you all how I've done the ball cap method and I've gotten a really nice meltdown, and my install has looked very natural and realistic, but this method is very time consuming. It's an extra step, quite a few extra steps actually, but you can get the same results without having to do the ball cap, and I'm going to show you all how I did it with this affordable unit at that. So you all keep watching.
Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine, baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told him fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, that you mean the world to me.
Alright y'all, now that I've shown you all the finished results, it's time to show you how I achieved the ultimate meltdown step by step without having to use the ball cap method. So first off, you need to put on a stocking cap that's your scalp color, but if you don't have one that's your scalp color, we can still make it work. Now this unit is from Rpghair. It is very affordable. I stated that at the beginning. The unit is probably about $105. You cannot beat that. This is the beach wave texture. It is pre-plucked. The knots are already pre-bleached. It looks so good. The unit's in length 12. It's 150% density, and it even covers my low hairline. So that's a major plus. Now this unit came with the parting on the left side. I generally like my parting on the right, so I'm just going to shift that. So I'm going to show you all that now.
You mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine, baby girl be mine.
Alright, so right now I'm showing you all what the hairline looks like on this unit, and this is straight out of the package. I haven't done anything to it. Now most often, if your unit doesn't come like this, you may have to customize it. I did have to tweeze it just a little bit. I didn't do too much. I tweezed and then I just combed through, taking out the excess hair. I also sprayed water to the hairline in the areas where I was tweezing, which I find makes the process much easier. So now I'm going to turn the unit over. Now for those who have not tried this method, I've recently started doing this and I feel like it makes a major difference in my install. I use foundation as well as Sally Hansen Airbrush spray. I used to just use that in isolation, but now I find that using the two of them together creates a really nice scalp-like flesh-like look under your units, and it's going to look very natural, and you won't need to do all the extra steps that come with doing the ball cap method. So this is what the unit is looking like. We already cut the lace off and everything. Now I'm going to put it on and I'm going to show you all how good it looks. I haven't even secured it down yet and it looks phenomenal. So now I'm just going to position it. I'm adjusting it to make sure that it's aligned, and now I'm going to use the same method that I use in my celebrity hairstylist secret video. This method consists of cutting off the lace prior to putting it on your head, which makes it so much easier for me. But do whatever works best for you, but just note that this method does not include having the lace on when you lay it down. The adhesive that I use most is the Gossipy glue in the yellow bottle. This will last you for about a day, maybe 2 to 3 days. Now keep in mind, I take my units off nightly, so this is the best form of adhesive for me. But if you want a longer, stronger hold, then feel free to use an actual wig glue like Ghost Bond or Old Hold. After applying the Gossipy glue on my entire parameter, I proceed to grab my blow dryer, and I'm blow drying it on the cool setting for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once I feel that it's tacky, then I proceed to move the lace down, covering the area where I placed the Gossipy glue down. And then I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to drive it straight through the area where the lace starts. And then I'm going to press down using the flat part of the comb. And don't allow the white residue that you see from the Gossipy glue to bother you. I'm going to show you later how to fix that. You can also take the back of the rat tail comb and press that in. And if there are any areas where there's lifting after placing it down, just go in those areas, add more Gossipy glue gel, and repeat those steps.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Now that the entire frontal portion of the unit is laid down, you just want to blow dry that area, make sure everything's secure, and then proceed to add a foam. I like to use the Nairobi. You can also cut some baby hair in the front. If you don't desire baby hair, don't use them, but baby hair is really good for concealing where the lace starts. I'm just going to smooth out the mousse with my comb and then proceed to add a satin scarf in order to lay everything down and also cause the lace to melt. You can also use those little, they're like blow dryer strips. You can put that over the hairline as well, or an elastic band will also do the trick.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
All right, now that we've completed all the necessary steps, these are the finished results. I'm going to remove the satin scarf, and you guys are going to see it looks so laid. Applying a mousse really helps with the white residue. I like the Nairobi mousse, so you guys feel free to try that out. Right now, I'm just drying the front of the hairline. I should have actually done this while I had the satin scarf on. It would have helped a little better. I'm applying the Sebastian holding spray just to give that area some hold because I don't want it to move. I want it to be set the way that it is in the front. After allowing this area to dry on medium to high, you are finished. We've done the ultimate meltdown, and guys, it looks so awesome. It literally looks like it could have grown out of our scalp. and it did not take all the extra steps. Now, granted, I did use quite a few steps, but it's much less than having to do the stocking cap method, and I feel like this is so much easier.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. Number one is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing step by step how to achieve the ultimate melt without having to use the ball cap method. Be sure to check the description box. All the links and specifications will be provided down there. I'll also include all the products that I use. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Insta, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
If you do, don't cry, we been now, so let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like.